Hello, I'm Byung your innovation guide. Changes centered around digital technology are taking place in the world at a tremendous pace. Today, let's take a look at what changes are taking place in our business environment, focusing on the keywords time poor and time tech. Are you ready? Let's take a look together. Recently, fewer and fewer people are watching TV. Instead, they watch a lot of YouTube and Netflix, and YouTube Premium subscribers keep increasing. What are the key features of YouTube Premium service? There are no advertisements. You get annoyed when an ad appears while watching a video, right? The reason is because those ads are invading your time without your permission. That's why more and more people are willing to pay 9,500 Korean won per month in exchange for removing these ads. In the end, I think that people in general feel that they lack time. To achieve maximum results with minimum time spent, there are a variety of measures for efficiency in a rational value system. That's how the new term, time poor, was created. Now, people are not only lacking money-wise, but in time too. More and more people are thinking nowadays that time is money. That's why the concept of time tech is surging, just like the term financial tech. But what is time tech? How can I make the best use of my time? Interest in such know-how and methods is growing these days. Now, even from the standpoint of marketing, sales, and business, people are trying to save their customers time. Now you must worry about this too. Robot vacuum cleaners, dishwashers, clothes dryers. These days, they are being called the three gods of household appliances. Have you heard this term before? It means that these three household appliances have risen to the ranks of gods. It's almost impossible to live a normal life without these products. Why? Because we are living in a convenium era now. Convenium combines the words convenience plus premium. It's a new term that shows us that convenience is the new value these days. If they use these appliances well, customers don't have to worry about those trivial tasks anymore. It means that you don't have to waste your important and precious time doing housework. Statistics show that the amount of time spent doing laundry in our lifetimes is over 11,000 hours. There is a company called Get Wash Swat that collects the customer's laundry, washes it, and dries it well, and then delivers it back to the customer's house. It's very convenient for customers, right? It's saving your time, isn't it? Now you can use that time you spent on laundry to do what you really want to do, what you enjoy doing, and what you think is worth doing. Recently, due to COVID-19, time spent at home is increasing. In addition to working from home, students now attend classes from home too. As a result, housewives' concerns are increasing more and more. They have to prepare 3 meals a day for their families, right? Since they can't prepare all of it by themselves, the sales of simple, home-cooked meals called meal kits are increasing these days. For example, at Atomy, we have a product called Chakhan rib soup. The times are changing to a situation where a lot of customers have no choice but to look for these products. It's a similar situation regarding the growth of online shopping sales. To do offline shopping, we drive and get stuck in traffic, right? You invest a lot of your time to do so, but with online shopping, with just a few touches or clicks, you can buy whatever you want from the comfort of your home. We can even do smart orders. What is a smart order? It will be easier to explain by thinking about Starbucks' siren order. There's no need to go to a Starbucks store and order after waiting in line and wait for your coffee to be made. With just a few touches, you can order directly on the Starbucks app. And when your coffee is ready, a signal will be sent to you. You can go and pick up your coffee right away. This is a smart order. It's very convenient. There's no need to wait. These digital-based services that save customers' time are on the rise right now. There's a very important concept that I would like to introduce to you. That concept is curation. What is curation? Let me show you a picture of a colander. What does a colander do? It's for straining. It strains things so that only what you want is left. Why is curation important? In the past, the core appeal point in marketing, business, and sales on site was the variety of products and the perception of freedom of choice. A classic example is a department store. What is a department store? A place where, if there are 100 products, there are that many brands to choose from. However, that concept doesn't work anymore. Why? Because there are too many options. So, what should the customer choose? The choice itself has become another problem for the customer. Then we need recommendations from experts. Curation happens when experts recommend a product tailored for the customers through careful selection. Let me give you an example. When you buy a car, there are a lot of factors to consider, right? But if you consult an expert in the car industry, he will take into account your budget and usage and tell you, if you choose one of these 3 cars, you will never regret it. How simple is this? This saves the customer's time. Then, if these curated and customized offers fit the customer's preferences, it will lead to them subscribing long-term into your system. Your sales will regularly generate income, just as we used to subscribe to newspapers and magazines in the past. The point is that it's not good to provide a variety of options for products the customer wants. Then what should you do? You need to support customers so that they can make a better decision and provide them help if needed. Then your actions will lead to more subscriptions. In summary, in today's rapidly changing world, products and services that save customers time are on the rise. In addition, if we add the concept of curation onto these services, we can dramatically save time and effort for the customers, leading to more long-term subscriptions and generating personalized sales on an ongoing basis. In short, now curation is being offered digitally too. It's no longer done with experts' recommendations, but through customized proposals generated by big data analysis. That's why, if they are not digital, it will be harder and harder to do regular marketing, business, and sales. You need to study digital technology. And what else do you need? You need sincerity. How can we make our customers happier with our products and services? How can we add more value to our customers' lives? You must reflect on these things too. If you do so, you will be able to create a happier growth for your Atomy family and your customers. Today, we talked about the trends in the business scene and focused on the terms time poor and time tech. As for me, I will keep on supporting Atomy's happy growth and innovation. Thank you.